PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 30th day of March. Very changeable weather in the days ahead, and maybe a few severe storms before the week is over. Let's go right to some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. There's the look south from the top of the Daniel building. High clouds moving in advance of storm system number 1 that we'll be dealing with late tomorrow and tomorrow night. There's our Gulf Shore Skycam. Weather looking good down there, mostly sunny. A lot of the spring break folks are having a good time there. And from East Alabama, Mount Cheaha. That's Cheaha State Park, Alabama's highest mountain, just south of Anniston. The sky becoming mostly cloudy. The clouds in advance of a deep trough over the central United States, moving out of the Rockies. And again, once again, that will be setting up a pretty good rain event late tomorrow and tomorrow night. Temperatures today not too bad, mostly 60s. Keep in mind some spots were at or below freezing this morning in the colder valleys. So a pretty good recovery. And look at there, another blizzard warning for parts of the Dakotas. They've had an amazing March up there. Wind advisories all across the southern plain states with strong winds in advance of the new system. And look at here, more good rains for the Deep South. Heaviest on this latest graphic from HPC over extreme southern Georgia. That's suggesting 7.5 inches of rain between now and Saturday morning. And up this way, the amounts are between 2 and 3 inches. But, you see that, you wonder if just maybe another convective complex down in the Gulf will cut off any severe weather threats here as the week rolls along, much like, to some degree, that happened on Saturday. Here's the severe weather outlooks. This is day 1 for the rest of this afternoon and tonight. A slight risk of severe weather from just north of Dallas-Fort Worth, up around Paris, Texas, up to near Wichita, Kansas. And that will include Tulsa. Tomorrow, a slight risk over a large part of Louisiana, South Mississippi, in the southwestern corner of Alabama. Roughly from, say, Jackson south down to Mobile and Gulf Shores. And that does include the Florida Panhandle, the western tip, Pensacola and Fort Walton Beach. And again, with the system tomorrow night, severe weather here looks relatively unlikely. The more interesting feature for severe weather would be Thursday night. That's the day 4 outlook that includes a large chunk of Alabama along and south of Interstate 20. And then on Saturday, a severe weather potential. That's day 6 across much of North Texas, Oklahoma, and the Arklatex region. And by golly, that might be affecting Alabama on day 7. So a lot to talk about. Let's look at the GFS. This is the 12Z run at noon tomorrow. Strong shortwave trough lifting north of Alabama. At the surface low is located between Minneapolis, St. Paul, and Des Moines. The trailing front really down to Little Rock and Tyler, Texas. So the main core of the storm should be west of here tomorrow. But having said that, there could be a few showers during the day. But here's a look at midnight tomorrow night. That's when the cold front comes in here. And again, we note the GFS depicting some type of convective complex on the Gulf Coast. And if that is indeed correct, that could cut off the inflow and reduce our rain tomorrow night. One way or the other, we'll mention a good chance of showers and storms late tomorrow and tomorrow night, and we'll fine-tune that as we go. Midday Wednesday, that batch of rain is off to the east. The rain will be ending early in the day Wednesday, maybe some sunshine breaking through by Wednesday afternoon. But on Thursday, here comes our next system. And this is really suggesting it might be that the daytime Thursday will be dry. The surface low is developing near Shreveport. We'll go to Thursday night at midnight. Strong shortwave lifting through, the surface low deepening rapidly near Paducah, Kentucky, down to 988 millibars, and that is suggesting the potential for strong to severe storms Thursday night. And again, it could be much of the day Thursday will be dry. And then Friday, that system is gone as it lifts on out. Quick peek at the instability values. This is valid at 6 o'clock Thursday evening, and by golly, that's pretty impressive. Those purple shades, those are surface-based CAPE values in excess of 2,100 joules, and the amounts are over 3,000 down there below Meridian, Mississippi. So, and again, we'll see. Let's get the thing out of here tomorrow night, then we can focus on Thursday night. Saturday starting off the weekend looks like a beautiful day, but yeah, we see that new low out there developing over Gage, Oklahoma. And then Sunday, here comes the next trough. and another chance of strong to severe storms. This one not as vigorous as the Thursday night system. The surface low is north of Memphis, but that would certainly put us in a good quadrant of the storm for showers and maybe some strong storms on Sunday. So for the moment of the 2 days, it looks like the better day will be Saturday and then Monday of next week. That storm lifts out a little wraparound moisture here. And then we'll go to Tuesday, a week from tomorrow, and really we just don't have a chance to get that cold. We thought there could be some risk of frost in there, but already south winds are kicking in advance of the next storm. And a couple of days later, on April 9th, that thing blows through here. So as you can see, every 2 or 3 days, we're going to have rain and storms to deal with. Not unusual at all for this time of the year. In the end of the forecast period, the 15th of April, tax day, the polar westerlies are mainly up north, strong trough back over the southwest U.S., and that looks yet again like another storm system is on the way at that point. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.